What's up, everybody? I was noticing online that people were having issues connecting their Antminer X3 to an Electroneum pool. In this video I'll show you how to do that and get the miner up and running. The pool I decided to use was etn.fairhash.org. A lot of the ETN pools that I saw online were either down, their website wasn't working, or they hadn't found a block in several days or even weeks. This pool on average finds a block between every 3 and 4 hours, and the last block that it found was just an hour ago. I've had it up on this pool for probably around 12 hours now, and we have found that one block, and I received 190 ETN. You can see my hash rate is 295 kilohash per second, and the 24-hour mean is 260 kilohashes per second. So in order to connect to this pool, you're going to need to go to your Antminer IP address and log into it. You need to type in the etn.fairhash.org URL into the pool URL, followed by 8888, so 4 8s, which is the port number. For the username, you're going to include your ETN wallet address, and then a period, followed by the difficulty that you want to choose, and I went with 3 million, and that seems to be working great. You can see that the pool right now shows that I have a hash rate of 285 kilohashes per second. I'm going to stay on this pool to see how the rewards are for the next 24 hours. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to include the difficulty after your wallet address. That's a really important thing to do. That's where I was having issues connecting because I wasn't including the difficulty at the end. I also went to miner configuration, advanced settings, and went to 475M, so it's overclocked, and it seems to be running stable, and so far so good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.